Really quick, if you're super intimidated by one stick and you're trying to figure out how am I gonna attach my tether to the tree, step up on a three-step ladder without protection, I'm gonna show you that quick method. So most folks will connect their tether as far as they can. I'm high, so mine's about 6, 7 feet attached over eye level. So we're gonna connect it to the tree. Boom. Now that we're connected to the tree, you would step up. If you're unsafe or still trying to figure out the safe way of doing it, or if it's rainy, you're worried about slipping, or whatever the case, you can use your lineman rope. Pull that out, just like you were using 1, 2 sticks, connect to a tree, and then here, and like that, pull tight, keep my knot up. I normally give them a little 2 clicks to make sure that they're good to go. Move my knot up. Now I'm close to the tree, and now I can step up for my first movement. Then once that first movement's connected, I can either step up without that method and just disconnect and step up as is, or once I move my tether up, I can step up with my lineman rope. Again, that's just an additional method and remove the intimidation factor when you're saddle hunting and rappelling. Again, there's always a little pucker factor when you actually have to do it, but once you step up and practice, that's the best method. The best part about saddle hunting is you can practice all your methods from the ground. So when you do get up high, it's like muscle memory. Practice, perfect practice, and you're practicing so many times that even in the dark, or like this weekend, my headlamp fell, I was able to connect to a tree, step up like everything was there. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Appreciate it, guys.